Hey, it's your boy the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. XLM, Stellar Lumens, has been printing for everyone, especially the last 24 to 48 hours. We had several changes. But before we get to that, I know you see all these arrows all over my chart. These are actually my crypto futures trades. As you can see, I did 3,800 on XLM short, 2,900 on the XLM short, trading crypto futures. So if you're interested, head over to thecryptogoon.com. I got a free Telegram, crypto futures Discord. I got a course that's currently $100 for a limited time. So if you're interested, link down in the description or head over to thecryptogoon.com. Now, Stellar Lumens. So the chart is pretty interesting right now. All right. So we came down to an all-time low. Oh, sorry, not an all-time low, but a previous low from April. Okay. And then we started to see a change in the price action. Now there's several things going on all at the same time. Okay. First, the Federal Reserve injected billions of dollars into the market, into the repo market. So as you can see here on December 29th, the Federal Reserve pumped $16 billion into the U.S. banking system with overnight repos. And it's the second largest liquidity injection since COVID. Now, some of this money actually goes into Wall Street. So this is one of the reasons why you're starting to see what looks like could possibly be another bull market or the beginning of a bull market. And we're seeing this across all cryptos. The meme coins are going crazy, XRP, XLM. So XLM has formed this bottom right here. Okay. And it has provided a lot of opportunities. Some people are starting to see some of their wallets come back. And there was an interesting article that was published in reference to XLM. And I'll read a portion of that. Stellar XLM formed signal that led to 95% price rally. Now, the last time or the rally that they're referring to is this one right here. Okay. So going back to this article, just to check it out. So a cryptocurrency analyst has pointed out how Stellar has just seen a TD sequential buy signal. Here's what happened the last time that pattern surfaced. Stellar shot up last time a TD buy signal appeared at current prices. In a new post on X, analyst Ali Martinez has talked about a Tom DeMark TD sequential signal that has appeared in the 1 week price of Stellar. The TD sequential is a technical analysis indicator that's used for pinpointing locations of probable reverses in an asset's price. The indicator involves two phases. In both of them, it works by counting up candles of the same polarity, that is, whether red or green, in the asset's chart. These candles don't have to be consecutive. During the first phase, called the setup, this count runs until 9 candles of a color are in. Once the indicator finishes the setup, the price can be assumed to have reached a potential point of turnaround. Naturally, this signal is a bullish one if the candles leading up to the setup's completion were red. On the other hand, it's bearish in the case of 9 green candles. As soon as the setup is over, the second phase, known as the countdown, kicks off. In this phase, the candle count runs until 13. After the countdown is over, the asset could be considered to have arrived at another reversal. The TD sequential has just completed the former of the two phases of Stellar. Below is the chart shared by the analyst that shows this pattern forming in the weekly XLM price. Okay, so this is the previous one that I had mentioned right here, and this is this is actually about a week or so old. So it has started to actually take off and head into the opposite direction. The opposite direction. And I know a lot of people are hoping for this bull run to happen, especially because most people are just coin holders. They don't trade like we do over here. Nothing wrong with that. Totally fine. But we're most definitely going to take advantage of this opportunity both ways, whether we are trading or whether we are just holding on to the coins. And over here we have a self-sustained business where we take liquidity from the market on the side of crypto futures, and we use that to buy the coins without actually having to use the money from our other sources of income, whether that be a job, a business you own, even if you're getting a fucking welfare. Okay. And for some people, it'll be their income tax refund checks, but it allows us to self-sustain without having to worry about any of that external stuff. But Stellar's actually looking good. 2 heads to the upside. And again, for anybody in the future, if we get a move up like this isn't financial advice. Take profit, because we get to the highs with these things and most people just hold on to it hoping that it's going to go higher, and then it ends up dumping like this. Be smart this time. You're going to get another chance to potentially have, XLM Stellar at the highs again. But that's just my opinion. Do what you want. This is not financial advice. The world is yours. Okay. So we're looking for XLM to actually generate or create a new high at some point in the future. So let's rock out with the fib. So as you can see here with the fib, which is something that we use over here, we've been doing so. Feel free to head over to my trading view and look at how accurate it is. We're bouncing off of the 50% once again. Okay, the 50% is normally where these cryptos bounce off of on the longer term time frame when it comes to these reversals. So I'm going to reverse the fib, which gives us a price target. Okay, so based on this move up with Stellar, we're looking for $1.52 during the bull run. Okay, $1.52, which will be the all-time high was about 92 cents, so 60 cents or so higher than the previous high. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. There's a lot more coming. Okay, we're gonna have stimulus checks being printed, just like during COVID. Okay, we have the lowering of interest rates, just like how we saw during COVID in May. Jerome Powell's getting out of there, and we're looking for Donald Trump to put his person in there and bring the interest rates down to zero. Okay, we've already had a liquidity injection. We had the same thing during COVID. Okay, so the stars of what we saw during COVID are starting to align again. Okay, and that will kick off a bull run. That is how these things work. We will have higher inflation, which we saw during COVID. COVID caused things to go up in price when COVID was over, and that pushed up the assets. Okay, but anyway, I just want to just give you all this update on XLM. There's multiple ways to skin a cat. Whether you want to trade it, whether you want to hold the coins, or whether you want to do both, it doesn't matter. Making money it should be, income should be the ultimate outcome. But it's your boy, the Crypto Goon. Shout out to all my goons. Crypto Goon out.